Welcome to the new UI widgets tutorials. This tutorial is about window animations. Window widgets are dialog pickers, pop-ups, and notifications. Newly created windows have a window animations component. For the earlier created one, you need to add this component. Here is a short demonstration. Dialog will fade in on open and fade out on close. By default, animation duration is 150 milliseconds. I increased the duration to 3 seconds to show different animations better. Now about settings. If the unscaled time option is enabled, animations will be done using the unscaled delta time value, otherwise will be done using delta time. The animation curve is how values will be changed during animation. The x-axis is time and the y-axis is value. For the close animation, the x-axis is reversed, it goes from the end time to 0. The animate alpha option changes the window transparency. The animate scale option changes the window scale. It can negatively impact performance if the window uses layout group. The animate anchors option changes the window position. The X and Y anchors are changed separately. This option is incompatible with windows with relative size. You can combine different animations. The disable interactable option blocks all interactions with dialog while the animation is running. You cannot press any button, change the values of other widgets, and so on. Disabling window animations component will turn off animations. You can create your animations if those animations are insufficient. To do it, create a component with the iWindow Animations interface implementation. The open and close methods are typical Unity coroutines. Notifications also have their own separate set of animations, which we'll explain in the next tutorial. That's all. Thanks for watching.